Okay, here's a little insert just to show as of the 8th of August 2019. I've basically just fitted a new Michelin City grip on the bike, which is ready to go on. The pads in the rear caliper are about half worn, still all good. And yep, so we're just doing that now. It'll have an oil change as well in half an hour. So there we go, just showing you. Pretty straightforward process. You need a 24mm socket for the center nut on the main shaft. You also need 14mm, 10mm and 8mm sockets for various nuts and bolts. 10mm for the exhaust manifold, and it takes me about, with all the kit laid out now, about half an hour to strip it off and get the wheel off, so it's not too bad a job. And as you can see, I'm just doing it on the center stand. Okay, so we'll carry on. Thank you.